Meaning of day.
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 Day. The term day typically refers to the period of time during which the Earth completes one full rotation on its axis. A day is usually divided into 24 hours, each hour consisting of 60 minutes and each minute consisting of 60 seconds. The exact duration of a day, however, can vary slightly due to factors such as changes in the speed of the Earth's rotation and variations in the planet's axial tilt. Days serve as a fundamental unit of time measurement and are widely used for scheduling, planning, and tracking various activities and events.